Times of Manipur miyeng tabiriba pumnamakpu ihan hanbamaktada DAINA amadi
BANDESHORI na
taram nokchari maroina Manipur Sangai Festival na lakpada Times of Manipur na Sangai Festival sinjariba tunga-tungan ba venue singda koina chalubagi mapausing puduna lakchai handaksu Sangai roundup khogi ngasigi numit tare ni suba numida sida Sangai roundup day 7 mayam gi mafam da khudol tamzage hauzik bandeshori amadi hak na legzari ba mafam asi man venue oriba hafta kangjai bungdani bandeshori khogi mamangi khogi day 3 4 gumba da koi chacharre ko koina ado ngasidi karamba stall natraga karamba show hai tare mafam karamba da hana changsige
DAINA ina sum khan da khoi mamang da chatpada tay stall sing su mayam am chatlure ko ado ngasigi di ahan base khoi gi flower gi kahani flower show ama asi mama straight to urise asida hana changmana fadau male
okay yam nuaiza viewers sing ngasigi day 7 asida ihau khoi ihan hanboy na haiba tare let's go straight aduga flower show hariba mafam aduda mi kayamuk yamna tilibano kari kari flowers sing khoi na uba phangani haiba do pulap khangminarurasi let's get inside flower show lairiba mafam asida di changsi ko ado ngasi di mi se khara su dum yamna ui ko kari kari thambininge
ina sum khan bada khoi gi Sangai Festival su loishala kadorabani na adugi amungtang di Sangai Festival se chatlaga yengu ke na chaga yengu si khan badagi mayam se laga khoi gi laiba phajaraba mafam sing adagi sem sarbe mayam se yengma lakpa male ko as a last moment ki chance ama lahoboina.
So guys, let's get inside yengurasi flower show sida kari kari flower sing phangi bano haibadu yengminarurasi flower show manung sida Sangai Festival yeng bala iba mioi singasu wari watai sana jage nanaugi ming thambiyo
ni te soksom ko
okay class kya karage 6 ichi gidi
aina thoksom ong bilata
kai lamde oi doino
kwa kathen bazar dagi
aisu thoksom ong bila saitabati kwa katel thoksom lai kai
khoi ngasi se numit tare ni sure ko ado la ise mamang da sudum lakrabra ngasi sida ihan han boy doira
handa kisne ihan han boy doini
samana
ado kari kari yeng birurage karamba stall na khwai dagi nungai ge
yeng base horak tangai ri ado khoina yeng base ma tribe ki mayam du si yeng ure aduga sigi flower siga sangai ni atai di yeng ba hawdri ai tare
ado handak se mi yam lak padi khara watli ko adubu khoi gi numisi numini su extend tawkreba masa kari kari haibining balai
yam nungai kai no haibda khoina hangai kokomigi boycott kai mayam ama su lai khre ko adubu sarkar sina khoi gi khudong jabji mayam sigi kano si yengbiraga nimini ni guma smaine extend tawthokpi ba dei maru ina so hojikan si angang singi annual exam si matam oi ko adu sigumba chenga si de khoi angang exam loi bani mine ba adu nimini ni guma extend taw busna khoi se yengba phangi ne ba adu ngasi sina aroi ba closing do ora bagadi akhoi si khudong jab phangam dab si ai kai na de mi me am do husana husana ka dei ni na ko adu ne yam nungai je saka ju bu thaga chari
adu iche kai kai pot kadi lai doira kari kari same sai chumna yengba lak padang oi doira
yeng bus lai angangi sana na balai bo khot pa kai ka mayam su adum sana halle ado pote ye lai bagi di yeng dri hai tare hoji
nanau nang di kai kai hai ningi Sangai Festival sida apang ba pot ka yaw brak sida lak pa se kari bhawe adum nungai ya हौजिक अखोगी कश्मीर दगी लाकपा स्टॉल अमा लैरे अखोगी हारिबा स्टॉल ओनर जी खसु वारी वाताई सानजबगी तंजादु लौसिको बंदे सर गुड आफ्टरनून वेलकम टू मणिपुर may we know your name
My name is Sanveer.
is this your first time coming
No.
tell us something about the Sangai Festival
Sangai Festival is a good festival for the Manipur, but this year it's due to the situation is not good. So that's why here problems. Some customers cannot came there. So I think this year is not go for Sangai.
Imtiaz.
we met last year as well okay so how is this year
Well, if you 2018 and 19 is a lot difference between 2018 and 19. Last year it was very good, very good. So it was like in our Kashmir, the news came like a fire, you know. So we was last year 6 or 7 people here. This time we was around 50 to 60 people we have, you know, applied. So far there was 20 people have been selected. But in that we came here like 6-7 people. I got this, but I was very disappointed from this year, you know, because no people coming. Even if you have 2 days people, but purchasing power is very less. The first of all, I would like to, my heart sympathy is the people, you know, with the people of Manipuri. Because we had same circumstances in Kashmir. So I pray to my God, you know, always that the Manipuri people should get what they want, you know, about this all Naga peace talk, whatever it is. So my wishes is with the Manipuri people, because I came so many times here. I got very love, you know, from the people, and so many things I got here from the people. Manipuri people, they really like, I don't know whether it is tradition or it is whatever, but they love our shawls.
we do
So this is very much concern regarding that, because we have only our product, that is the pashmina and all that's, you know, we have only 3-4 things. The tourism, the first is paper mache, shawls and copper. This is the 3 things what we have there, and the apple and the walnuts. So this is very much concern with the Manipur. So it was all the time we just, whenever we came to Sangai Festival, especially me, I have lots of hopes inside in me that I will have the very good business here. So we had lot of hopes that we can earn something here, and
but unfortunately it didn't
unfortunately it's total dead.
but we are very much thankful to you sir you came all the way from Kashmir just to participate the festival
Manipur, that's why, you know, I told you this is very much concern Manipur and Kashmir. So it is from our heart, we all Kashmir, from our hearts we pray for this Manipur, because we know we have seen this situation. Still believe that people will come and buy something.
because luckily 2 days also have been extended and we hope that you have a good sale
Best. We still have the hope. My hope's never gonna die.
taking the opportunity we would like to see some of the special products you brought from Kashmir name for this specific shawl
Pashmina Jama.
Pashmina Jama well I would love to know the price
That's 2 lakh rupees.
koigi viewers sing the utsi hairiba koigi stall owner sina hozik mayam gi mafam da utjariba shawl asi yamna akhanaba makhal gi Kashmiri shawl ama khakni hairiba koigi work asi thabak asi haiba tare masi kanagumba mana koi saba yadaba haiba tare masi akhanaba experience leiraba moigi workers singna handloom hai tare ko handloom gi mioi singna saba natraga di saba ngamde masigi shawl piece ama khaksi saba matam da banding sai hai ki badu sahi ama chupna sai aduga magi price mamalna lupa lakh ani
That's the plain. Without work. But this is also this one. It's
thank you so much for the information bandeshori koi gi stall owners na hari si pashmina shawl si magi plain oiro ko koi original oiraga di 7000 dagi haugani masigi makha da laiba price range si di mase original na te na so thambiri anyways thank you so much sir for giving us some time and we would like to also thank you for coming down here in Manipur hope to see you in the next year as well yeah thank you
Daina khoina somda uri basi Sangai Festival gi ko mari laina na food court amasu competitions ama tawbagi type ta ma thengnari natra asida mutang changaga yengse khogi ngasi gi theme da kai dishes no moina thong liba tha iba myam se kai no haiba dom tang changaga yengminase
mane Sangai Chef Season 2 ni handa ki oina redefining indigenous cuisine. Ngasigi khoi gi theme se kai kai no haibdo moi organizer ga nazar ga wari watai sanaba ki tanja du lagsage.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Yurin Chon Kesing and I'm from Nambasi Kulen, Kamjong district.
Okay. So, what are the dishes you have prepared for this competition?
I have prepared some memories of my childhood, memories of my grandfather, memories with my friends, and memories I spent at the riverside of my village. I cook taro leaves, and then as for side dish, I do with bamboo shoots and chingyan salad. And then I pounded this dry fish and some little insects from our riverside. My father gave me lots of tips too, and then I have lost many of my friends in accidents and all. Thinking of them, reminding of them, I cooked this curry.
Okay. So, is there any specialities or any seasonings you have been putting in these dishes?
Yeah, that will be the love and the memories. I put it all together and serve them.
Thank you.
Hojik contestant number 4 su kan same sari competition sigi magi koi result out oi dora bani ngasi final day dina ko contestant number 4 ming thambiu
ai Mohan
karai wai de oi birabano
Sagulon Manuel
hojik se kan su same sari ko ngasi gi koi gi childhood memories hariba theme sidane same sabi se kari kari
Sahau Kiram Seme, Aduga, when now cartoon them Uber, Yenim Pay Hatako, Adu, Kanatoga, when a Sorokan, the Uram, the Ansusiamanoko, hang on now when a Nangwang at the Imana, a bone Halapada, Namu Repa, do memory Ueboko, the Sahau Kirs in Adum Tunga, the Sembido, my do memory in a Samsam.
Ado handaki Sangai Chef ko season 2 si magi prize si first prize si 50,000 oi doine ba ngasi final round ni isama confidence lai bibra ngasi first prize si lobo ngamni kaina thaja bibra
de aina haibu ngamdre mayam ju loina ahiba ngatani no ko hoi loina haibu ngatani do koi have the training gum chalu sunate dum pamjana thongbagi kena to dum jawjam ni na the first awata do haidi dum atopa oi sidi dum mayam kena to mina ba hai
akhoi tabo maksoi biu ko thagachari thank you so much wishing you all the best. Contestant number kya oi birabano 3 almost ready oi ko ngasigi childhood memories na thambiri ba round se kari kari no same sabiri se
same sari sing se aina ai gi dish my dad's delight aina kawe ko angang oringai dagi ipa na hwai dagi akoi ichin inau pun bagan mana special oina thongbi ba dish ne ngasi se chingyen champut thongba sup ta ko andum ngasi ipa di leitre adu childhood memories sida
no hona na nixing ak ko okay it's really lovely yam phazai ko koi presentation yam phazai hujik next amung changbi doini ko judges na kari kari thambira kani ka di ngasi thami ba competition se soidana mai pa kani ka ne khanbi bra
mai pak kani pak roi hai du di khangdre adu pak tro jo I satisfied oye ngasi competition sida la arga aina khangau da badu su tam hawe
contestant number 3 gi koi gi memories mayam do koi gi cha thak ko masina muk no hona nixing hale ado minga ma di laifam tanga thambira mu ba
zingat phihungyo ai number shikulende ine
all you wishing you all the very best. Hauzik Sangai Chef Season 2 gi ngasi gi sigumlaba food competition asi loislakpaga loina na Bandeshori judging rounds loisan khre ko just sing na kari kari khoi gi haining bano aduga ngasi gi thongi ba tonga tonga mathel sing se kari mahau fanglabano haibadu pulap khangmina si
sir ngasi gi khoi gi competitions asi gi theme childhood memories hai se si gi theme na si haidi yamna phajaba theme amani du kari wakhalon dagi masi gi theme asi karamaina thambi ki bano adugi matang kitang hambi
Saba thapuse khoi angang ore dagi adum sagumba hobadi adum hore maduna hek sagumba dagi khoi na ningsingba ya ba khoi angang ore da yam memorable loiba chaning ba ningai hai tong tawle aba khoi chinjak se khoi na ima da ima baba da ahal ma tawi thim myam si mathang chatharak pa sing sida khoi na competitor sing sida su moi adugumba gi wakhal lon du leirong gadra adugi wakhan du su khalan boina aduga khoi gi moi childhood memory gi taste to adu si yeng boina khoi na thamjagi
lairiba contestants mayam sigi dishes sing se si ngasi gi theme asiga karambana hena khwaidagi sir hoina expectation ama thambiram gani ba adugi expectation sing do ngasai gi dishes sing do adugi level do yobibra natraga yowe haina khanbra kamai to bige
competitor sing dagi di moi khoi na wari ama su moi de lehal leba kamaina nang dish si uthorai no nangi childhood memory do kamaina masiga mari leina halino haibdo akhoi na madu hanga matung da moina liwa wari duga moina present tawrai ba dish siga di adum sanai masi sumaina sangna na chataduna expose to tardi masi akhoi gi worldwide ta uthokwa ya dish ngata ne akhoi local ingredients lairiba pochai mayam si sizinaraga adum mina su pamnagani maram di akhoi gi sina freshness adagi hunjiti organic ki matam nina organic ki oibasu yam hello khoi sida pangiba local herbs and spices sing didi karim ta harnung seasonal puthokusu natte maduna mapangi mina su hena pamgani na ina thaji
Hauzik phawda taste to khibada khuzik phawda khoi khwaidagi koi gi kawmangam loidabadu karam baga oini
mayam se dum hawbani na si kawbangam mayam se amangak to oi dabani na ko khra yam bani na sine hai bidi leite hai bidi mo koi competition se ko competitive yam oi ba mo koi se amaga ama yam competitive oi bani na mo koi se khwai dei mo koi hei jaba se puthok jabani na si khwai dei hawe kaw thok bangam de hai bidi sine hai bidi leite mayam se hawe
sir gidi kari mo lai
I give Hazel right target like Jihagi, but they are like more talented. They are not a professional, but still they are home cook, but they are trying from the bottoms of their hearts only. They are trying our best. So ngasi like ngasi teams like childhood memories to like man have the angar they am ningsang hiba soaking on even like when I know judges or matam do like a contestant number 3 don't have the my explanation to the Kangok de dum pita gimana have kapaki I am still like feel soaking wagi ko have the man yum dagi yen do puzaraga like yen do miroli kholi adu mai gi da maktai na angang ring de toro puzara ki ba du ngasi kangde like I goosebumps se pakan songa du mai bo pita gi kangok de taste ki nam tongan ba mo ekra they come to the taste lakuma tam dadi like hoigi ngasai taste makan they are trying their best okay like with all the ingredients mixing to salaga mana sema podo hawi adudagi plus hawi is like we also very like difficult got to find just to matam zu karam na quite the best no have they when find out to ni aduna mana dum kana to zari
masina khoi gi iramdam gi indigenous food sing se kadai wai fau ba promote to bangam gani kai di khan bige
like down after like 3 years gumba downline da hoi si am thunna promote to gani have I thazabale hoi food habits kari gana mata hoi si like sum bajong like different parts of like entrepreneur me am tholag laga matang atop hoi Manipuri indigenous me am putholai aduna after like 3 years down sajing day yang matam da am thunna promote ro kani thazaba well leisure and then like si hoi season zu one of the like big hoi gi kai tourism si amazu ena hoi promote tongna ba like hoi mapalam de la ko min yamna phazna khoina piraga khoina leiriba khoi ingredients mayam si yam thunna develop tawraga mayam mapan da sun pamna gani and then export ko to ya gane na thazabale
waisai and lastly haibatare competition si loire ngasi na final round ni aduga result si Sangai Festival gi aroi banu mita haido kani haina su thambi khre ngasai ado khoi gi first second amadi third khoi prize laizari ko masi amtanga thambiramo viewers sing da kaya cash oina thambibra makoi gi citation gumba laigatra haibado
makoi se first prize 50,000 ko second prize 30 aduga third prize 20,000 aduga all the participants in the consolation prize ngamdaba singda ko consolation prize 2000 each haina ko cash da thambiri along with certificates aduga akoina mukoina business start tauge hadi will help them yes akoin su mateng pang jagni mukoina mateng pang ningai rakpum tamna akoin su hara hara mateng pang jagni
Yam nungaizai, thank you all the three judges. See you in the next year. Well, viewers, that was the Sangai Chef Season 2. Koigi hariba food competition, cook competition haiba tare ko bande. Adugi final round ni tabu ngasigi result asi Sangai Festival gi iroi loiba numita results announced tawkani su haibiri just na su thamgre ngasai first prize will go back home with a cash of 50,000. Akhoi bandeshori mathang sidi karamba stall da mukchang sige.
Mathang se mapanda daina khoino sum uri dana suna kanda khoigi inat ki oiba pochei khara su yon ma dum uzari adu asigi mafam sa hoina changa ga yeng bana phatro.
Okay. Aduga la iba viewers singa su ko interaction adum tawbagi khudong chaba du su logzage.
Mathangi stall akoin uri se soft toys ngatani ko yeng bada su yamna phajai angang khaino su hek yeng matam dam attractive oiba akhoi hek yeng bada su akhoi gi childhood days to dum ningsange ma akhoi su sumaina sana pot se kahani yamna pam na su sana rakhi ko sister gi ming amadi leifam ta
ai se ai ming rangthem anupama devi aseng malai phamni ten tha dagi ne adu duga hujina lamphel quarter da laiba
ine sum uzaba matamda angangi sana pot nga tani ko stall sida yauri sing se machu su loin phaja ba degi different kind of sana pot me amam su yauri do akhoi gi masigi sana pot sing se kadai degi di lobi ge na tra khoi isana saba su tum yaubra
zabane sipuna isan saba nga tane
isagi kahani factory gumba na traga khoi gi small scale industry in my labra kamai to
khoi hujik dukan taraga laiba ko polem lekai da aduga adudagi wholesale bazar na khara thai adu mayam mela ki atai lak pa kai anum wholesale adai dum thaba anum lo lak pa
adu atai mafam da wholesale thaba se ka mukki matik kana ge adudagi
kana ba wholesale na di khoi yam kana haidi profit ti dre ba ko sida budi kidang kana ne adu adudadi yam tong ka su ti de dum poto yam chatna ba na yam ge su tong bi
adu handa ki sangai festival siga mari lena ga di kya mukadi yon khrage
akhoi je hau badai di hang dre ba ko nahan de hange adu yam yon de da taramu yon ngai ni
taramu te dum mag yon khre ba ko adu mathangi sangai festival da di amuk stall se phambi ga ni hana khanbi brand ta kamai to
phang gen di khalle
I know se pari ba teddy bear se ko baban ke ano the viewers tang kam view ba
si 850
850 penda se ko price range se khoi gi kwai digi pick pa ko kaya dagi horaga kaya phauba ga dilai
khoi je 70 na de gina ne yon lising manga truk ta su dum lai
lising manga taruk ta ba su yawi re
adu di porak tre dile hadi handak pot jam pukhalak te ba ko ai marak tai yawani na
khwaidigi minimum khwaidigi price so khwaidigi dem ba do karamba oi doino viewers sa utsi ko
si ne rabbit ke je
sina kya
adu 70 si 70 ngata ne
si se na loi 70 adi sigum masina
cd 130 yole cd 8 banthak ta loi lai 850 mai
yang ngai zai khoi iram da manipur dagi smaina khut sa heraba mayam ma thokpi raglaga ko asigum angang na pangdo toy si ma thaina de khoi na ngang oi ngai matam dadi mapalam dagi lagzabane ba ado haujikti iram dam dagi su koi puthok pirak base adu ki mate khoi na su thagat pa phongtok chari tungda su mai pa koi biu thagat chari
you can be there it's the mega DJ mix 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 cross the road to meet me thought you'd never see open up my mind so I'm waiting to believe
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯖꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯕꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ
Veda Kangzam. I co-director ni Vedam Agro Enterprises ki Kolkata ki representative so oi ko. Aina marketing se nazabane aduga I pomina baise Dr. Khetimem Vedamani na mana manufacturing ki panaba. Ando akoi phangi ba polam sing se kano king chili pickle sazum yeng bi yani ko king chili pickle leire degi gooseberry pickle leire ko lime pickle leire lemon pickle leire hog plum ki pickle leire adegi lakadong gi turmeric phangani adegi ginger ki powder phangi ready to drink juice adegi fruit candy ma'am leire ko adegi morok leire chili se ko adegi mushroom powder so phange mushroom dry mushroom so phange ko akhoi gi hojik se akhoi organic cosmetics so hauser ani organic toothpaste household use Delhi da leba Proveda company na moi ga khoi ka tie up tawraga moi na khoi degi pochai kano spices ke kamam loi lor ko moi degi organic cosmetic loba tie up tawraga aduna all over India da state anamane state kharaga da dum Vedam Agro Enterprises ki pochi yoba hore hoje
aduga matang se lakchani se khoi gi Manipur hariba khoi northeast ta leiri ba state siga khoi rest of mainland India haija batare mainland India ra chari ba khoi gi food habits siga khoi gi food habits siga di am khenamna sana thakna ba polam mayam ma puthokpa sida khoi gi India gi oina picnic yingjaba matam da India gi miyam sina khoi polam sing se leiba matam da moina pambra masigi response kamai taw
yam pame akhoi gi samna have the example oina ko akhoi gi yangang se lakadongi turmeric se curcumin level se 8+ ne ko aduna pure organic ne hozik market ta mapan da average ki bo har maming dipan bom di to adu hairage moi gi di hong na su phange moi pura extract tawraga akhoi gi health benefits se kya phang da bi da sumne gi enjang na machu phang na badang gi oiba akhoi gi sina mamal je moi ga se khena da ba health benefits oiba cd moi akhoi na face pack on season ba su yai aduga moi sangom da yang hapaga thakpado mapan gi misna adu su yai enjang da hapa su yare akhoi taste maker spice am thin chatle si je non veg song bada su veg ki da su loina ma hapa ya ba gi mapan da diam pam nei ba sina ma hau tonga na ma hape na adu hujik yam feedback se akhoi na lo matam da positive response nga tan phangi se
se aduga akhoi na hujik sum product se mayam di leire adu akhoi na sum yengjarak pa matam da Manipur da puthokcha ba akhoi gi oyster mushroom powder adu ngasi di iram da masida fangjaba polam na iram da masida product asimak puthoklabani masi akhoi mapan da di akhoi order to bi pra mayam gi response kamai to bi masi
yam tore order yam tore mushroom powder se khara unique oiba pot ne haitare ko India da kya same de ando akhoi na han bo ina ure moina su ko mafam atopa akhoi gi northeast ke top state se mam basu ya adu ko su akhoi gi di highly demand oire aduna Delhi da Mumbai da oyster mushroom gi powder se yam pam na lo nei ba pulao sem bada hape ade moina ade gi restaurant to ba kam ko na su laweba
akhoi na hangoi chanari ba mushroom sina akhoi fresh mushroom se chana bane hauzik mafam sida phangi sina dry mushroom se akhoi hauzik mi myam sida general public ta hai tare akhoi yam na familiar oiba pot am oidribani na masi karam mamong da chana bage masi karam mamong da saba ya bage have matiam thang hai
dry mushroom se akhoi store to ga thamba gi su yai ko akhoi gi mushroom je pra se hi ma thama su yai tin charoi si guarantee akhoi lojari si hapetang minute manga tara hai tare tingtho aga yam thina soft oi aji ka hoina sa sa khatang khres picnic slice ona siame dana ado alu ne tilho ne torga capsicum ha pa su khatang chawrap na torga ka ho ngor ga sab yam hawe chicken thong bada ha pa yare pork thong bada ha pa yare yam yare singa ta thong asu yare ado si dry mushroom se mostly ma pan da am demand lai aduna fresh yam risky oi ma pan da di bai rota la pone na khoi chinglambi oi bani na dry se am na demand la eba Kolkata da di dry mushroom se am chatle khoi bulk ta chatle hai tare
akhoi paisa mayam am thadara kanda Sangai Festival siliba masina akhoi gi tourism sector sida karai fawba kanaba ngamgani na khanbi gi aduga Vedam Agro Enterprises kumba akhoi gi entrepreneur sing da karai fawba kanaba piri na khanbi
yam thina kanai ai di Sangai Festival sira kai guma disturbance am ta pam jade ko kai gi no have the emotional way de yeng da bida si gi akhoi na expose to gi yam achoba platform amani ko hore hozik Asian embassy me amama la moi ga akhoi interact tau gi ko handak te sum meeting ama tau ki commerce industries ga khoi ji yause ado moina zu haidi akhoi product se pame pamba se sigumba me am gi interaction gi akhoi program se disturbance like tadi mi lakna daba khona daba mayam sina ayet pa mo oi haba cd akhoi na emotional way de yeng dabida akhoi isagi akhoi ni isana semjari ba mayam se moida utpa ngamna bai damakta cd akhoi masen pungning thogat na gada bane ba cg thabak se mai pak na bai tamta praja mayam na su sogot piu
lamdam asida leiriba mioi sing asina iram dam asida fangjaba pothok singna iram dam asida sajaba pothok sing asi mapan thadok ngamagadi nongmana traga nongmadi manipuri ma lebaga si mipan tangdaba lebaga ma haibdo soidana oirakani haibagi manglana si mangfaunarkani haibasi thamjaraga vedam agro enterprises pusu mai pakpo oibiu makha tarakpada all the best haijaningi TOMTV market
ya fare
ngasigi oina di sangai round up khudol tamjabagi tanjadu matang swaisida tensin jage lakadori ba numit sing da su tongan ba khoi gi sangai festival gi tongan ba venue sing da koina chatuna interaction program amadi entertaining oiba khoi gi episode sing puduna lakchage ngasigi oina di mayam dagi kaina nabagi yatanga du lagjage khudum sari